Oh yes, to cut the sleeve, the puff sleeve, or what I call balloon sleeve. Now it's so easy, very simple and easy. Now I'm going to measure the width for the normal sleeve first, after which I'll proceed to the balloon itself. So, like I said, the width of the normal sleeve is 6 inches for the width. But before I proceed, let me quickly measure the length. The length for this sleeve is 11 inches. 11 inches plus 0.5 inches. I have it here. I won't be working with this. I will cut it off. So I have my 11.5 inches here. Take my ruler and make a straight line here. Now the sleeve, the width of the normal sleeve, I'm using 6 inches for this particular sleeve. 6 inches. I'll make a straight line. 6 inches. Connect to this place where the length stops. So I'm going to connect these lines together. So I'm connecting the lines. So here is the normal width, normal sleeve width. Now I'm going to come by 3 inches, coming down by 3 inches. Then I connect this line to this place, not to this edge here, just here, by 1.5 inch. Let me quickly make a demarcation there. 1.5 inch. So I shall be connecting this line in a diagonal form. So having connected the line, then I make my curve. For the sleeve. Now I'm going to add, it depends on how you want the balloon to be. If you want it, but the other one, the extra inches I shall be adding 6.5 inches. But if you want to extend yours to make it more fuller, you are permitted. Depends on what you want or your desire. So right now I will be connecting this line to this point here. Can you see? So having connected this to this point, then I'm going to make a slight curve. I will mark 2 inches here. Then I make a curve. Like so. So I can now cut. Remember, I don't want this rough edge. So here is my sleeve. So I'm going to cut exactly like this because it has to be 2. So as you can see, I've cut the second piece, making it 2. So what I'm going to do right now is to lay it this right to right, right to right. Can you see? Right to right. I'm going to place it on each other like so. Then I reshape the upper part of the armhole. I have the center point. I have the center point here. Can you see? I'm going to open. Then I reshape it like so. So that is that. The next thing for me now is to fold the base here. I will fold it after I might have whipped it. Fold it like 0. less than 1 inch. Then I've folded it and stitch it here. Then I will now insert my elastic. So it's as simple as that. By the time I'm through, I will show you what I have. Now to fix the elastic, the wrist of the person is to be measured, and the one for this particular one, I will measure the circumference of the arm. I have it 9 inches. So I shall be cutting 9 inches in 2 places. So I shall be cutting rather 9.5 inches in 2 places. Here is 9.5. Then I fold it again like so. So I will cut this off, after which I will slit this into 2 equal parts. Then I slit it so to be for the round arm. Now as you can see, we have finally come to the end of this tutorial. Here is the hand, the sleeve rather. Can you see? So like I said earlier, it depends on how fuller you want it to be. You can extend it more than 6.5. So the more you extend, the more fuller it will be. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. And haven't done subscribe to my channel, always put your notification bell so that you can have access to my new release video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.